Sirkand kaonti ma Nairobi okwedo tudruok moro amora kod piny owacho mar France mar keto tim chenro mar chwalo chiemo ne jopuonjre skunde mag primary boma ma Nairobi. E nyim komiti mar omenda e od bura mamalo, jatend migawo mar thieth e kaonti ma Nairobi Susan Silantoi ne oyango ni chenro mar Food for Education nigi orak kod Sirkand France mondo ochiw sir ni chenro no, ma bende noket ne omenda maromo shillings milion 160 higni 2 mokalo.
France paid wherever they are paid. They were not giving food for, they were giving support to the county effort towards, it just has channeled in a different place. Is that okay? Is that making sense?
Not necessarily, because they also supported other counties.
Yeah, but they supported Nairobi County. They were not supporting food for education because the agreement, it was between the governor and the France government.
No, the agreement was between Food for Education and the French government.
So why was the governor claiming he was the one who got the money? No,
it was a grant between the French government and Food for Education.
Okay.
Mani mabendo kelo giko mag weche manyien e yorno mar adiba gi lak seche gito mag thund weche mabende ne waikoni. Jatend piny